Hey, welcome back to another video from BMR Parts and Marine. Today we have for sale is a 2004 T8 Yamaha 4-stroke 20-inch set up for remote T8. That's what they are. Compression was 25 or 95 on both cylinders. Excuse me. New plugs, new gear lube, new water pump impeller, new oil in the power head. If we ship it, it will get drained on the power head. Tilt and trim. Nice little clean motor. These you can't get the hours on them because they don't have that. So it's a carbureted engine. So we'll fire this thing up, get it running for you. Neutral, reverse, cut her off. Back off. If you're interested in it, you can give us a call at 952-894-4888, or you can email sales@bmr1.com. Thank you and have a great day.